Welcome back to the summit. We're gonna try to. I'm going to this completely blind. I don't know anything at all whatsoever about Chainsawman. I'm gonna try to watch it. We're gonna hope that it doesn't get fucking muted. I don't even know if I'm allowed to curse that early. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't know, YouTube. I'm testing on YouTube now. Let's start this out. I know absolutely nothing other than Chainsaw Man is like a demon, I guess, or something, and he has chainsaws in his hands and arms, and he gets a semi-cute looking dog at some point. That's all I know. I did listen to the intro. That was all I listened to. Wasn't really a fan of it. We'll skip the intro for copyright purposes. Unless someone tells me otherwise. If you guys know a better way of doing this in the comments, let me know. I appreciate the help. And then we'll... Oh, is this intro? Is this intro? I tried to leave you guys like the subtitles down there at the bottom, so hopefully we don't get in trouble for that, you know what I'm saying? See, the animation looks alright here. The clips I was seeing on I saw like little things. I don't know if it was that was the intro or what on Twitter. But the CGI was looking rough. You already know we got the little dog cam there, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to say his name because smart. Alright, double hunting. Alright, we'll go ahead and skip this intro here. Someone told me this is a comedy. I thought this was just a straight up just shonen fight anime with demons and shit. Alright, so he's poor. I feel you, bro. Poor with a cute dog, okay. Missing an eye? Maybe? Did he sacrifice the eye? A slice of bread? Bro, you have to feed the demon dog? They eat? Maybe I give him the yen, bro. Get the money first. Okay, there you go. I thought they were about to disrespect him for a second. He has some self-respect. I was like, bro, don't eat this sig. Come on, bro. Isn't 100 yen like fucking 15 cents or something like that? Alright, so he's still alive. He doesn't turn into the chainsaw dude yet? He doesn't have that power yet? Damn, that's fucked. Did he say 70,000? That's fucked up. So far, the animation is not looking bad at all. Bro, what? And he's like, sight? Let's be friends. What? Oh, damn, bro. Damn, fucking Injure Animal episode 1? We're like 5 minutes into this bitch. Okay. Working since he was a child, living in a hut. He's chilling with his dog. I feel him. Alright. Bro, this is the same dreams I had before I met Isabel. Make TV and J's. Damn, what, throwing out because he's so hungry? Oh, blood? Oh, fuck. Oh, he about to die on this mission, ain't? This is when he becomes Chainsaw Man right here. I like the world so far. It's looking pretty good. The CGI is like way less than I thought it was gonna be. Like that car CGI right now, but like that's fine. That's how you're supposed to use it if you're going to. Oh damn, they're gonna try to kill him right now, bro? The fuck? They're really about to betray my dude like this. Stabbed him? Damn, through the both of them? Damn, that's fucked. Damn, bro. These dumbass motherfuckers. CGI is getting a little... I don't know now. Foul dip. You're safe. Didn't see that one coming. No clue they were just gonna set. Damn, he booking kinda. Relax. I literally couldn't even imagine, like, having that shitty of fucking luck. And like, damn, they just dumped you, son? Oh, they cut his head off? Oh, so they fused together. So that's why the chainsaw comes out. That's why I didn't see the chainsaw really anymore. How would he have a normal life like that? As well, a dog? And they literally dismembered him like that, though? That's fucked. Because they're fucking greedy bitches, bruh. That's why. He did all that and still got bombarded. I know he's about to transform and all, but you couldn't like slice them up as they like jumped in, you know what I'm saying? They're just eating, huh? Not liking that CGI at all. That shit is so ugly. It looks alright. It looks good like that when it's not moving too much. Oh, there we go. That looks good. That'll look good. Alright, so he got damage boost now, or a defense boost now too. Alright. Just fucking up them zombies. Not running through them the fastest though, honestly. Got it. The chainsaw noise that just goes all the time is kind of fucking annoying. So he can he come back out of it whenever he wants? Alright, the girl from the one got here before us. Alright, so she's gonna be cool. Is he actually neither? What? Oh, he got like completed like 2 of his dreams in one thing. Is that what turns it off? The simping? The zombie devil. There's like a whole, well, it's not like a school, it's like a FBI, or not FBI, like fucking Men in Black type shit. He's like, yeah, I'm down to be a fucking simp. He's like, fuck fighting all them shits again. Like, this man's was eating bread, like 1 slice a day of bread, and now he's getting like 5 meals at breakfast time. I don't, yeah, bro, that would be easy choice for anyone, I think, for real. So first thoughts, I definitely thought it was way less CGI than I thought it was gonna be. I'd say probably out of the whole 20-minute episode, there's maybe like 4 minutes total that were ugly as fuck to me. I really didn't like that CGI when he transformed and just started fucking the zombies up there. me, and I also wasn't a fan of the chainsaw sound. I thought it was a little too fucking. I don't know if it's too loud or what they could possibly do, but it just like kind of took away from the scene because it was just constantly going off nonstop the whole time. That and him yelling and shit. I would say overall first episode 7.5 out of 10 for sure. Let me hear was there an outro? Is this the outro right here? Okay, actually I like the outro a lot more than the intro. Yeah, the outro is way better than the intro. And that was episode 1. Hopefully this all uploads properly and you guys see this on YouTube. I don't know. We'll find out. Thank you guys for being here. I'm gonna test that right now. Peace.